Hi my lovely students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to continue our question paper which we have already started. That is the model question paper of 2024. Already we have started the solving the question paper. So you'll get that link in my description box. In that video, I mean in the previous class we have solved all the MCQ, okay, from this question paper. So today we are going to solve with the next main, that is answer the following questions, okay. So each is carrying the 2 marks, so that we are going to solve in today's class, okay. So let us start. So children, first you can see here the 13th question is there. Find the product of 2439 into 34. So sorry, 37. You have to find the product. You have to do the multiplication, okay. So let's start doing it. So first one, we will write this one here, okay. 2439 divided by 39 divided by 37. So let us start. So first one, we can start from this one, right? So 7 nines are is how much? It is 63. Okay, I'm not going to read the whole table. I will just tell you, you only have to read, okay. As you know, that is a very basic, that you should know the tables, right? So 7 nines are 63, right? So 7 nines are 63. So this 3 will write here, and this 6 will carry over to the next place, okay. Next one, after this one, 7 threes are is how much? 21. 21 plus 6 is how much? 21 plus 6 is 27. So we'll write 7 here, and this will carry over to the next place, that is to the 100 place, right? Yes. Next, 7 fours are how much? 7 fours are 28. So 28 plus this 2, right? So how much it will be? It is 30. So we'll write this 0 here, and the 3 will carry over to the next place. Next, 7 twos are 14. 14 plus this 3, we have to add this, right? So 14 plus 3 is how much? It is 17. So we'll write here the whole number, that is 17 here, okay. So now let us start with the next one here, okay. So this one, 3 nines are, first we have to put the plus here. 3 nines are 27. So this is the 27, okay. Let me erase this one first. How much it is? It is 27. As I told you, it is 27. So 7 will write here, and the 2 will carry over to the next place here. Next, 3 threes are 9. So 9 plus 2 is how much? It is 11. So we'll write 1 here, and the 1 will carry over to the next place. Next, 3 fours are 12, right? 12 plus 1, it is 13. So we'll write 3 here, and the 1 will carry over to the next place. Next, 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7, right? So we'll write 7 here. So let's add all these numbers here. So we'll write 3, nothing is means it will be considered as a 0 only, right? So 3 plus 3 is only 7 plus 7 is 14. 4 will write here and carry over to the next place. So 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Next, 7 plus 3 is how much? It is 10. So 0 will write here, and 1 will carry over to the next place. Next, 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So what is our answer? That is 90,243 is your answer. So this is the product. Got it, children? Okay, very good. Now let's move to the next question. Yes. You can see the question here. Find the quotient and remainder when 1653 is divided by 8. You have to find the quotient and the remainder, okay. So let's do it here, okay. So start from this one. We'll take this number, that is our 1653 divided by 8. So this is divisor, this is dividend, and the whatever the answer will get, this is the quotient, and at the end this will be called as a remainder, okay. Later I will tell you once again. So first we'll start with this one, okay. So let's do it here. You have to read the table Okay, first you have to see this number. It is 1 is there and 8 is there here. So is it possible to divide this 1 by 8? No, because the 1 is very smaller than the 8. So then what we have to do? You have to go to the next number. You have to go to the next number, that will become 16. It will become 16, right? So can we get the 16 in the 8 table? Yes, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So we'll write here 8 twos are 16. So let's subtract it. So 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So bring down this next number. It will become 5. Okay, now can we divide this 5 by 8? No, it is not possible because this is a smaller number and this is a bigger number, right? So what we have to do in this case? We have to give a 0 here and we have to bring this another number here, that is 53. It will become what? 53. Now, can we get this 53 in the 8 table? Okay, so 8 6 are 48. If you see here, 8 6 are 48, right? And 8 7s are 56. So if you see, the 53 is not there. So which number we have to take? We have to take the smaller number than the 53. So which is the smallest number here? 48. So 8 6 are 48. We'll take 8 6 are 48. So let's subtract it here. So 3 minus 8. Is it possible? No. Then what you have to do? You have to borrow 1 from this place. It will become 13 and this will become 4. So 13 minus 8 is how much? It is 5, right? 4 minus 4, 0, and this 0 is 0 and this 0 is 0. So what is our answer? The 5. 5 is what? The 5 is the remainder. Okay, the 5 is the, we'll write here, this is the remainder. You have to write it, children, like this. This is a remainder and this is your quotient. This is, we call it as a quotient. Got it? And this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Okay, got it? Okay, now let's move to the next question. Yes, so question number 15, right? Write 56 divided by 100 in decimal fraction form and express it in words. It is very easy, as you know that. So if we'll take this 56 divided by 100, so here you have to write this number as it is, the 56. If you see how many zeros are there, 2 zeros are there. So you have to put after this 1 2. So 2 and then we'll put the 0. So what is the answer here? 0.56. So same thing you have to write in the words, that is 0.56. So this is your answer. That's it. Now let's move to the 16th one. Subtract rupees 348.25 from 500. Okay, so here what you have to do? You have to subtract this number from this number, right? So let us write this number here. Rupees 500. We'll write rupees 500. Then this one, rupees 348.25. If here nothing is there, means we'll consider as a 0. So we'll put point and 0 0. These are the paisa, right? So let's subtract it. So here 0 is there. Okay, we can't take, we have to take a 1 from this place. So here also 0 is there. And we have to take from this place. Here also 0 is there. We have to take 1 from this place. So here is also 0 is there. So we have to take 1 from this one. It will become 4 and this will become 10. We are taking from this one. So this will become 9 and this will become 10. Again we are taking. So this one become 9 and this will become 10. Again we are taking from here. This has become 9 and this has become 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is how much? It is 7. We'll put the point as it is. Next, 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. So, what is our answer? That is 151.75 paise is our answer. Got it, children? Yes. Now, let's move to the next question. Ananta buys 214 kg of bananas. Express the quantity of bananas in gram. Okay, so here let us do it here. We'll write this one here first. 1 by 4 kg. Okay, it is in the kg form. We'll write the kg. Yes, so we'll write the kg here like this. Let's do it here. What you have to do, you have to change into the improper fraction. So here 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 divided by denominator as it is, that is the 4, right? So if you see here, okay, now you tell me 1 kg is equal to how many grams? Yes, very good. It is 1000 grams, right? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So same we have to do here. That is 9 divided by 4 into, that is kg. We'll write kg also here. Kg is equal to 9 divided by 4 into 1000. Okay, now you have to divide it. So how you are going to divide? We are going to take this number here like this. Okay, so here 4 and here 1000. Okay, so let us do it here. So we cannot divide 1 by 4. Then we have to take this one. So it will become what? 10. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are how much? 4 3s are 12, right? So 12 is a bigger as compared to the 10. So 4 2s are 8. So 4 2s are 8 and wait 8 will write here. So now let's subtract it. 0 minus 8 is possible. Now we have to take 1 from this one. So it will become 10 and this will become 0. 8 minus 10 minus 8 is 2. Now you have to bring down this number 0. Now 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are, yes, 4 3s are, yes children, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. So 4 5s are 20, right? So let us subtract it. Yes. So 0 minus 0 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. Now you have to bring this number. So it will become 0, nothing is there. So we'll put this 0 here. So that what is our answer? 250, right? So we'll write here, that is 250, yes, gram, right? Now we have to multiply this one. Okay, we'll write this answer here only. Just a minute. Okay, sorry, that is not a gram because we got the answer only 250. Now here we have got the 250. You can directly multiply here in children. 4 1s are 4. Okay, 4 2s are 8. Here 8 9 10. 2 will be remain here. So 4 5s are 20 and this 0 is 0 as usual. So 250 into 9. Now you have to do the 250 into 9. So let us do it here. 250 into 9. So 900, 9 5s are how much? It is 9 5s are 45, right? So we'll write here 5 and 4 here. This 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, right? So this is 2250 grams. So this is our answer, that is 2250 gram. Got it? Question number 18. A vessel is filled by pouring water into it from a tumbler in 88 times. If the vessel is filled with 5 liter 600 ml of water, find the capacity of water in the tumbler. Are you getting this question, children? Okay, let's do it here. Vessel, what is the vessel capacity? A vessel is filled by pouring. Suppose a vessel is there and its capacity is 5 liter 600 ml. Okay, by taking this vessel, we are pouring it into the tumbler 8 times. We don't know the capacity of the tumbler, but we are pouring this quantity into 8 times in the tumbler. We have to find out the capacity of the tumbler. Okay, is that clear to you? Okay, let's do it here. First, we have to write the statements as you know that because it's a word problem. So, vessel capacity. First, we'll write the vessel capacity. So, here we'll write vessel capacity. So, what is the vessel capacity here? How much it is? It is, yes, 5 liter 600 ml, right? Okay. So, now, this one we have to convert into the ml. Okay, we have to convert this total into ml. So it will become what? 5600 ml. So this is your we have to convert it into the milliliter. Okay, so now tumbler. How many times you have poured this one vessels into tumbler? That is 8 times. So tumbler pour. How many times? 8 times, right? So we have poured 8 times. Now you have to find out the capacity of tumbler. You have to find out the capacity of the tumbler, right? So what you have to do? Yes, you have to find the capacity of the tumbler, right? Sorry, water capacity in the tumbler, right? So capacity of water in tumbler, we have to write it like this. So how much it is, we have to find out. So for that purpose, what you have to do? You have to do the division, right? So 5600 divided by 8. So we can come to know that how many times you have poured the vessel into the tumbler. Okay, so 5 into, you have to do the division. So let us do it here. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so you can see here 5600 divided by 8. So now you have to read the 8 table till you get the number 56. So 8 sevens are 56, right? So 8 sevens are 56. So this 0, we have to bring this 0. This will become 0 only. So we have to 0 only. So again we have to put 0. Again we are bringing this. Here we also put the 0. Here also it is 0. So 0 we got the answer. So what is our total answer? That is 700. So 700 ml, milliliter. So this is your answer. This is the capacity of water in tumbler, that is 700 ml. Got it, children? Yes. Now let's move to the next question, 19. Add 3 hours 15 minutes 30 seconds to 2 hours 15 minutes 50 seconds. You have to add. Okay, let us write it here first. 3 hour. So children, here I have written this one. You can see we have to add this one. Okay, so let us start doing it. First we have to start from this one. So we'll write here 30 plus 50. Okay, so let us add it here. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. Now it is 80 is there. We have to see in the, we have to divide into the 60 second plus 60 seconds are only there, right? We are not having any 80 seconds. So 60 seconds, I mean in a 1 minute I am telling. So 60 seconds, how many is remain here? 20. So if you see the 60 second is equal to 1 minute. Okay, because here we are having minute, we have to convert into the minute plus how many? 20 seconds. So we'll write this 20 second here. And this 1 minute will carry over to this place, 1 minute. Got it? Now we have to solve the second one in the minute. So let us do it here. Yes, we'll take this one. Okay, we'll take this one. So 1. Okay, just a minute. So 1 0 5, and here this is 50 is there, and this 15 we are having. So 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 5 6, and this is 6. So we are having 66. So 66 minutes are there. Then we have to convert into the hours, right? We have to change into the hours. So for that purpose, what you have to do, if you see here how many minutes are there, yes, how many minutes are there in our 60 minutes are there, right? So we'll write here 60 plus how many remain? 6 is remain. So this is the minute. So okay, we'll tell you here in 60 minute how many 60 minutes is considered as a 1 hour, right? So we'll write 1 hour plus 60 minute. So we'll write the 60 minute here, and this 1 hour will be carry over here, 1 hour. Now let's add it here only. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, right? So 6 hours. So what is our answer? 6 hours 6 minutes 20 seconds. This is how you have to add, children. Okay, so if you, okay, now let's move to the next one, that is 28. Draw the axis of symmetry for the following English alphabets. You have to draw the symmetry, and if you see how you are going to draw, this is the one symmetry and this is another symmetry, and A will have the only a single symmetry, M will have the only single symmetry, like this. You have to use a scale, children. Okay, so that it will be straight like this. Next, this S will have, do not have any of the symmetry, just leave it as it is. So this is your answer. Now let's move to the next one. Draw the figure of the solid that can be formed using the given network. So here the network has given, you have to draw the solid figures for that. If you see this one, this is a network of some of the solid figure. Which figure it is? Can you tell me? Yes, it is the cone, right? If you open the cone, So you will find this kind of network. And what about this one? It is very easy. This is a square, right? This is a cube. The solid figure we call it as a cube. Right, so this is your answer. Now let's move to the next one. Fill in the missing odd number in rectangle and write the square number in followed by then in sphere, in a circle. So you have to write the odd numbers. Fill the missing odd numbers 1 3 5 7 9, then 11. These are the odd numbers. Even numbers are 2 4 6 8 10. These are the even numbers, right? So we have to fill it with the odd number. So if you see 3 is there, so which is the before 3, which is the even number? 1. So we'll write here 1. Okay, we'll write 1 1 3, after 3 5, and here 7. So you have to add all this. So whatever the answer you will get, it should be a square of some number. Okay, I will tell you here. Just add this number here. 1 plus 3 is how much? Yes, 1 plus 3 is how much? 4. 4 plus 5 is how much? 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 plus 7 is how much? 9 plus 7 is 16, right? So we'll write here 16. In this circle you have to write 16. If you see, the 16 is a square of some number. Which number it is? 4, right? 4. If you write this is a square. So 16 is the square of 4. Okay, so the number should be square of some number. That's it. Next one. In the same way, 1, next 3, after 3 5 5 7 9. You have to add all this. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 9 is how much? It is 25. So we'll write here 25. And if you see, the 25 is a square of some number. Which number it is? 5, right? Yes, very good, children. Now let's move to the next question. That is, if you see here, again word problem is there. It is carrying the how many marks? 4 mark is there for this. Okay, so let us see. 40 students of a class are put in a group of 4. 40 students are there. So that students have been put in the group of 4. 4 group have been made for the activity, and we have to see that how many children are there in each group. Each group needs, okay, first we have to see how many students are there in each group. Then each group needs 3-meter long rope to conduct the activity. So each group needs a 3-meter long rope. Now what is the total length is needed of the rope to the whole class? That you have to find out. So let us do here. 40 students of a class. First we have to write the particulars, as you know that, right? So number of students in class, I'll write here. You can see number of students in class. Okay, next, how many students are there in class? 40 students are there. So we'll write 40. Next one. Next sentence should be number of students in a group. How many students are there in a group? So number of students in a group. How many students are there in a group? There are 4 students are in group. Now you have to find out the number of group formed. How many groups are formed? Okay, how many groups are formed by taking the 40 students? So if you see here, so we'll write here number of group formed. Number of group formed. How many group have been formed? For that, what you have to do? You have to divide, of course, because we are doing a distribution here. So 40 divided by 4. So let us do it here like this. Okay, so 40 will write here and the 4 will write here. 4 ones are 4. So this one, 4 minus 4 is 0. We'll bring this 0 here. Nothing is there, so it will be 0. So what is our answer? 10 is our answer, right? So we'll write this 10 here. So number of group formed is 10. Right, so means in each group 10 students are there. Now each group needs 3 meter of long rope. So now you have to calculate the total number of length of the rope. Of course you have to do the multiplication. So let us write the particulars here. Each group need rope. How much it is? It is 3 meter, right? Next, total length of the rope. This is your final answer. You have to find total length of rope. Total length of rope needed. Total length of rope needed. Okay, so what you have to do? 10 into 3. So let's do 3 ones are 3, right? So 30 meter is your answer. Got it, children? Okay, now let's move to the next and the last question. A train can cover 225 kilometer in 1 hour. Estimate the distance covered in a day to the highest place. A train can cover a 225 kilometer in 1 hour. So okay, then you have to first you have to find out the distance, then you have to convert into the estimation form. Okay, let us do it here. First let us write the statement. So distance covered by train covered in 1 hour. So how much it is? It is 225 kilometer, right? Next one, in 1 hour. So how many okay, in 1 hour, so number of hours in a day. How many hours is there in a day? So that you have to find out. Number of hour in a day. So how many hours will be there in a day? That is 24 hours, right? Yes. So what we have to do now? We have to see that in a day. You see that you have to calculate in a day, because they are given in hours. You have to calculate in a day. What you have to do? Of course, you have to do the multiplication, right? So let us do it here. So distance, we'll write here, distance covered in 1 day. So how much it will be? That you have to find. That is 225. We'll write here 225 into 24. So let us do this one here. Calculation. 225 into 24. Let us do here. 4 5s are how much? 4 5s are 20. So we'll write here and this carry out next place. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Then plus 2 5s are 10. So 1 will carry over. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 2s are 4. Right? So let us add it. So 0. 0 plus 0 0. 9 plus 5 is how much? It is 9 plus 5 is, yes, 9 plus 5 is 14. So 1 will carry, will carry over to the next place. So 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5400 is your answer, right? So 5400 is this answer. Now you have to estimate this one. Okay, you know that how to the estimation to the highest place. See, in the question itself they have given to the highest place. So here estimate, we can write here like this. Estimate of 5400 kilometer to highest place, to the highest place. So what will be our answer? So if you see here, so highest place is 5. So you have to see this number. If it is 1 2 3 4, then you have to replace, unit 10 100 by 0, and you have to keep this as it is. So 4 is there, means 0 0 0 5, right? So this is your answer. 5000 kilometer is your answer. So this is how you have to solve this, children. Is that clear? So children, I hope this explanation is easy for you to solve the model question papers. Yes. So try to solve some other questions also, children. Then if you think this video is really useful to you, then don't forget to like, share with your friends, and do subscribe my channel. And whatever we have solved in previous class, that link you will get in my description box. Just go and check it out. Okay. So take care of yourself, children. See you in the next class. Bye bye.